Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance. Today, we're tackling how to wire transfer to Kraken in 2025. Kraken is one of the most reliable crypto exchanges out there, and getting funds in via wire transfer is a secure way to boost your trading power. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into Bitcoin or an experienced trader, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have a Kraken account. If you don't, head to their website and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, verify your identity if you haven't already. This is crucial for security and to enable withdrawals later. Now, navigate to the Funding or Deposit section in your account dashboard. Look for the Wire Transfer option. Kraken makes it easy to find. When you select it, you'll get detailed instructions, including the specific bank details you need, like the account number and routing info. Double-check these because accuracy is key to avoid any delays. Next, log into your personal bank account and initiate the wire transfer. Enter the amount you want to send, and include any reference codes provided by Kraken to ensure the funds are credited correctly. Remember, wire transfers can take 1 to 5 business days, so be patient. While you're waiting, keep an eye on your Kraken account for confirmation emails or notifications. Pro tip: always use secure connections and never share your login details. Crypto scams are rampant, so stay vigilant. Once the funds arrive, you're good to go for trading. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you in the next video.